So over there is the Intercontinental Hotel, and way above there is the parking garage. And you take this elevator up there. This was a Schindler with Adams, and it recently got modded with Innovation Bruiser. Go to 3. Damn, that's fast. Much faster than it used to be. All right, 3, go down to 1. Here's your COP. I've never seen these version of Bruiser before. It's interesting. Got an 88 phone. Where's the capacity? 35 pound capacity. Take another spin. 3. I'm gonna assume Schindler to this mod, but I'm not sure. Interesting, it says 01, 02, and 03. Let's get dual indicators. Alert 3. This is an elevator that's never been filmed before. Alert 3. Door hold does not work. Take one more round trip. We now get a cab view. I believe this is the original cab. It's basic. It looks older, but it's nice for this use. This is not the busiest elevator in the world. Look at that leveling. The door hold doesn't do anything. Unless it does, and it just doesn't say anything. Very fast for the height it goes. Let's watch the leveling. Look at that. Nice. Got a view up here. There's the skyway from the Intercontinental to the terminal. You're good. Take one more ride. Look at that wipers. It's an interesting button. There's a directory. This is a nice elevator. Very efficient. GAL equipment from the looks of it. And the bell. That's interesting, it's white. And parking. That's surprising. Alright, there it goes. And there's the hotel, and I just heard a plane. Very cool views from this place. Alright, that'll be it.